Harald, SMEs, this is a big focus for DMG MORI here at the EMO show. How important, and can you maybe emphasize how important it is and tell us why?
Absolutely. So first of all, it is important to understand that DMG MORI has more than 100,000 customers, active customers globally, and obviously the vast majority of these are SMEs. So they are really the backbone of our customer base, and of course they may be, the large successful enterprises of tomorrow. So it is important to support them from early on.
And what are the challenges that they face that you believe that you solve?
Well, what an SME needs is really high-end technology that is easy and quickly applicable in their workshops. We need, machines that can be deployed fast. We need automation solutions that can be deployed easily and quickly in customers' workshops. And that's what we're trying to support with our SME area and SME focus.
Some might argue or might suggest that they think that your machines are out of their league or out of their reach. That's not the case, is it?
Absolutely not. So we have machine models here that we're specifically showcasing in this area that are very, very much affordable for our small and medium-sized companies, and they provide what we believe is an excellent price-performance ratio.
So when I look at this, it's kind of like a package, I suppose, isn't it? You're going to an SME and saying, look, we can handle all of your requirements, even the finance element. Is that the case? Is that really what we're doing? We're wrapping this all up to give them from one supplier?
Absolutely, absolutely. So first of all, it's the machine technology, but then it's also the peripheral technology. We can support them with easy solutions on the tool management, which is included on our CLOS control, which can help SMEs very easily at a low cost to organize all of their tools and programs. We have, as you said, the financing solutions available. We have our DMG MORI finance team here in that area that can really help customers to easily make the step into our technology with what we believe are very, very good conditions in terms of the financing. And as we are here in Germany also, this time we have a team that looks into the subsidy possibilities with our customers. So we're also supporting our customers to find the best possibilities in terms of taking subsidies for instance, energy efficiency, which is a big topic here in Germany. And that's what we believe a really complete package for our SME customers.
And the service and support, I mean, they might think, okay, well, you've got a lot of bigger customers than me, but that doesn't mean that they won't get the same attention.
Absolutely not. So what we've done all over Europe is that we have significantly grown our base of service engineers, just because every running spindle is so important, right? So we have, just for instance, only here in Germany where we are right now, we have increased the service force by more than 15% in the last 2 years only. On top of that, we have engaged more hotliners, which can give technical support to all of our customers in the background. So really, we're focused on keeping every customer, whether it's an SME or a global key account, up and running all the time.
The technologies, lastly, let's touch on those. What would be a typical SME machine? Is that what we're looking at on this line? And is that what
it could be one of these for, let's say, rather basic applications, but it can be, if we go around the corner, which is still also part of the SME area, could be our CLX TC in combination with the Robo2Go. It's a very, very good example that our SME customers are also looking for, let's say, high-end technology, which is easily applicable. The combination of this machine and the Robo2Go has an automation interface, which is intuitively programmable. Any operator will be able to handle this automation, and that allows them to deploy this kind of automation in their workshops super fast, which is, of course, important.